Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Monday night discussion. Today, we are going to talk about business analytics, SEO, and branding issues for your business. With me, Mr. Hasibul Islam Rani. He is the business analyst of e-business SEO and CTO of Borobhai Consultancy, and obviously one of the co-founder of M-Marketings. Thank you for being with us, and
Thank you for
thank you.
having me as well.
Okay, this is our first live so far from eMarketing's page, and in this live, we will discuss about business analytics, and we will discuss about SEO. At the first, I want to know from you what is the importance of business analysis, and what is the correlation of SEO with it? Would you please describe?
Hi everyone. Actually, Marv already introduced about me. Uh, Thank you for joining the live. And yes, I'm really pleased to attend this live. And yes, first of all, actually, we like to discuss about data analysis. Actually, data analysis is very important and imperative for current world and current situation. Uh, because every business uh, they need data analysis in different way, different perspective, in different time frame, I might say. So let's start from at the beginning. Why we need data analysis? Data analysis give you the key important tools of what type of business we are trying to do, and it will give you the pinpoint, like regarding the revenue, the cost, etc. So, when you do the data analysis, you will see what is actually customer looking for from your business. Let's say if I say like start from the let's say like uh, M marketings, what actually the customer looking or clients looking from the M marketings. M marketing first, like we are providing services such as uh, let's say SEO with the data analytics, videography or audiography, etc. So, what type of audience we are looking for? How we will know that like this type of audience we need that like data analysis. Okay, first of all, we'll see like what business actually looking for. Business first they're looking for the most key important thing they're looking for revenue as well as like same like M marketing is also looking for revenue, and the goal is the revenue. Without revenue, business not gonna survive. Without customer, same like if we don't have any customer, we're not gonna survive. Like any business, same like M marketing. If they don't have clients, they don't have any like end goal. So everybody need the actually our
Indeed, everyone needs this clients. Everyone needs
clients.
sale. But
Yes.
my precise question is why this data analysis is important for a business. Does data analysis give us direct sales or what?
Uh, I might say it's not giving you direct sale, but it's showing you the path, like what client looking for, the structure of the clients. The second, they will say that what type of key area they have to focus on, they improve in. Let's say customer satisfaction. I might say from data analysis showing that customer is not satisfied for some of the product. How you'll know? From the data analysis, you can like frame it like in the point basis, like you have the key issue from the features. So customer is not satisfied from your feature. So we have to key point. We can see like how many percentage of people they're looking actually key features of like let's say in website. What is the key features? So if when the data analysis, we can do many other way, but is the precise way is data analysis for to find the customer what actually customer looking for in the features. So in data analysis it will show like that many percentage of people they are looking for actually the key features which is
That
very
means
important to us.
that means you want to say, instead of just predicting, instead of just throwing something into the dark, data analysis shows us a way to be more precise, more planned, and to have some sure shot.
Yes, it is. It will give you the clear indication actually where is the weakness of the businesses or weakness of the like clients. Like clients have a weakness, this kind of key point. So data analysis it will give you the precise way of looking like what exactly the problem, why you have to shoot it. That's why we need always the data analysis.
We have a very question, which is like, often some entrepreneurs say data analysis is a big thing. It is only for the giant companies and so on and so forth. How do you see this point? Who basically need this data analysis? Would you please tell us?
I might say like say the the point of view is like if you have the customer, especially I might say in which one is e-commerce website. It's not a you don't need a big business to need it for data analysis. If you have a small business but you have a client, massive client, you want to focus in a massive clients. So of course you need a data analysis because other without the data analysis or analysis whatever you if you use like many tools, but it will give you the end of the point is you need a like analytics result. So therefore, it's not a, like necessary you need to have a big business to do the data analytics. The point is like what is your end goal? What you want to like gain from the business. So if you can like show like yes, or you want to like some points you can like tell like your clients yes I need this mass client, then you need data analytics. But if you said like you have a some static website or static clients, so actually you don't need that. But it doesn't mean also that like you need a big business or a small business. It's a focusing point, like what type of you clients you are looking the clients, then you have to set a goals, then you can like improve your the sales, or you can like improve your focusing points, key points, etc. So it will give you some sort of idea, but it doesn't necessarily like say only Uber needs a data analytics. Doesn't give. Of course everybody need that as long as you want to sell the product. Is it clear?
Hello,
Yes,
I'm clear.
yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Uh, Sorry for the little inconvenience. Basically, you want to say whoever wants some sort of certain sales, some sort of sure sales, he needs data analytics, regardless to the volume or the size of the business.
Yes, it's true. Yeah.
But the question arises whether the data analysis is so expensive and how much time it consumes, because of for the business this is really very important to sell ASAP. We are in a rush to sell. So would you please enlighten us in this point?
Oh, it is depends. I might not say like uh you need massive times. You need time, but it's not a massive. It depends on your like business, how big your business. Let's say your end goal is like let's say every day you want to sell 50 products, or every day you want to sell 100 products. It takes maybe like not even 1 to 2 hours to analyze this data, because and also you know like whoever in digital marketing you might aware of the conversion, the marketing. So if you do the data analysis and you go like every day I need 100 clients, so you might need the analysis. It's not going to take time and it's not going to be expensive. But if you think about let's say perspective of Malaysia, even perspective of Australia, we have a let's say Uber got massive data sets. So in the data sets you need massive time. You can't just use just Google Analytics to analyze this data. Of course, you need some sort of, let's say, Python or other programming languages to focus those data and give a overview and give a mapping. Like this type of data, this type of like area wants this type of service. So yes, so that is, I might emphasize on it, like what type of your clients you are looking for. Second is how massive your data set. And expensive, like it's not, it's very cost effective. It's not gonna say that, I'm not gonna say that yes this is really expensive, but depends on your like business. What is your goal? Like how many customer you looking for every day, or how many sales you want every like month, every like year. Depends on that, then you can invest. Because if you need a like the huge sale, of course, I don't think so you'll mind to invest some money on the data analytics to get the overview.
Okay, we understood. Now, the last question on data analysis. Like, if I am just entrepreneur, I'm just startup. So, at this point of view, do you really suggest me to start the data analysis first and then move forward, or you want, or you suggest like no, go a few steps, then gather some data and then do the analysis? What do you basically suggest?
Bit tricky question, but I might give a straightforward answer. Straightforward answer. First, you have to scale out like what type of business you want to start. Second step, of course, let's say once upon a time, I'm giving me one of the like real life example. In Nigeria and as well as in Bangladesh, we try to introduce one of the apps which call like blockchain uh, money transfer. That's Bangladeshi bank haven't used it. In Australia, we are using it, as well as Nigeria. They haven't introduced the blockchain. It is some kind of Bitcoin, whoever in like technological area. So you might know that what is it like actually Bitcoin. But this Bitcoin use the blockchain system. So we try to introduce those blockchain system in Bangladesh bank, so which can accommodate all uh, customers in every bank, which it will take only, let's say, 30 seconds, 30 seconds to one, sorry, 1 second to 3 seconds for sending money and receiving money. So we did the data analysis, because without data analysis we don't know what type of uh, service in Bangladesh they're looking for, in Nigeria what they're looking for, even in Malaysia. In Australia we introduced, like most of the bank, they already introduced blockchain services in their apps, which like you can send money within like second. You will receive, sorry, you will receive within second your money if someone is sending you money. But which one is long cherished dream, I think in Bangladesh, Nigeria, or Malaysia, they haven't introduced this type of facility. I might say if you want to a less bigger scale, then you need it. But still, if you even a small business, I might say still you need that, because otherwise you don't know what you're gonna sell. Middle of the day, like in the middle of time of your business, you'll say, "Oh, I'm losing money." But why you losing money? Because you didn't set any goals, like what type of like product you want to sell, and what type of customer you are looking for. Not everybody gonna look like, let's say if you give an example like Apple, not everybody looking Apple product, and some of them they don't have the capability to buy a Apple product. Same like our, if we want to sell or if you want to do any business, first of all you need a data analysis in different way. It doesn't have to be like massive scale, even smaller scale you need that. Otherwise you'll just start it from now nowhere, and you're not gonna get any end result. So it will take longer time to establish your business. So first of all I might say, and also I might suggest that yes, first you have to do your data analysis. Then you have to set a goals, set a focus point, then start your business. It will be best idea then, and you will get some revenue from it straight away.
Excellent. Thank you, Mr. Ronnie. So far, I understood from your discussion, I should do my analysis first, then plan the business, and then move forward. This is
Yes.
basically what it is. Thank you
Yeah.
very much. Okay. And according to your experience, it gives some sort of sure shot that yes, people are going to make some money, which is the core objective of a business. Okay,
Business.
let's see,
Yeah.
inshallah. And yes, my question now is well, is there any correlation in between data analysis and SEO? Would you please introduce SEO first? Though SEO is a very popular term, everyone know it, but still I request you to describe the SEO, please.
Before actually telling or saying about SEO, I might give you one like misconception to like business owners about regarding SEO. Most of the people think I have a business, maybe I'll just boost in Facebook or Google, then that is SEO. Or I'll make some videos, or I'll make some like video conferencing. That's it. That is SEO. But I should say this is really misunderstanding about SEO. SEO is a big terms, big, massive scale terms. So it is like search engine optimization. Search engine like which is like in Australia we use mostly Google and Bing. Maybe in Malaysia they also use, most of the country they use Google. But in China they don't use Google. They have a Baidu. They have a other. They're the like main in Baidu they use there. So first, I want to make it clear that is SEO and data analytics. This is parallel thing. That is not a like that is like you can't avoid one thing and you can do the SEO. And SEO also need data analytics, and data analytics also need SEO for like online marketing or digital marketing, which form you want to put. So if you say that like I need only SEO, but whoever does the SEO, they will do definitely data analytics. Without data analytics, they will never know what's going on their business. So obviously, when someone say that, all right, I want to do the search engine optimization. So why you need search engine optimization, like SEO? Why you need that? Of course, you might say, all right, I want to grow the revenue. I want to sell many things, many products in online. So that's why I need SEO. So whoever does the SEO, of course, end of the day, they have to do the analytics in the back end. Without the analytics, they will never know what is going on. So SEO have a different terms. Let's say on page, like that like social media marketing, like on page, off page marketing. There is many other terms. I might not go that deep at this moment, but yes, they are related each other. We can't like avoid or we can't escape like from one to other. So we need both together.
That means you want to say SEO and data analytics is a parallel activity.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you very much for giving this information. Basically, me, I used to think, though it is way back, but once I was like just student and a bit concerned of digital marketing and so on and so forth. I used to think SEO is like, okay, not a big deal. We can just do some ad over Google, YouTube, and Facebook, and do some on page, off page, technical SEOs. That's all. So this is not the case basically.
Not at all. Not only like that is the misconception. This like we need like few things, then it will be done. And SEO is an ongoing process. If someone say that, even Google not gonna give you guarantee. Google is one of the giant. They're not gonna give you a guarantee. Okay, I'll give you like instant, uh, like boost your website or your product is already up. No, it's not like that. So that's why it is a like continuous process. Like after, let's say, if you say that like I need just only 3 months or 6 months SEO services, I might say, okay, 6 months you can grow your business, but after 6 months, if you don't continue the services, it will drop after 1 month, maybe after 15 days. So I might say it is a continuous process, and it's not gonna give you a straight away answer, like any sort of like indication. It is continuous. You have to do it continuously. And also you can't say that like I'll do some blogs, it's gonna boost your website or boost your product. No, it's not like that. It will continue. It is maybe Google maybe rank you based on your keyword, based on your
That
uh
means not even the blog.
no, it's not gonna give you like, it's not gonna give, because Google checking you every second whatever you are putting in your website, every second, because it's called Penguin 3. I might give you just one example, that is Penguin 3 software. It can check live. Google checking you live what you're doing in your website. Are you copying someone content? Is it unique enough? Are you doing like uh same like YouTube? They're also checking your content is unique. Is it your content or you are copying from someone? So if you are copying from someone, they can degrade your website, they can degrade your product based on your picture, based on your website, based on your content. Whatever you are copying, Google will know it straight away.
Oh, this is I mean, a bit tricky and risky game as well. I might go
Yes.
to loss if I'm not in a very correct way. By the way, I have a very obvious regular question now. SEO, you said it's an ongoing process. Okay, but obviously I expect something. Being a business owner, I expect some sales, I expect some cash. How long should I wait to get some visible result from out of the SEO?
Uh, that is one thing, like digital marketing, people never say that I give you grant guarantee like within 1 month you will get the result. I might say if you are doing continuously, let's say your content is unique. First of all, like let me like leave everything first. You want to do business, you have a website. Now you need a plan. Actually, what type of content you are putting in the website, is it unique enough? Ask yourself, like as a business owner. Then second option, this product, what is your focus point? How many people are looking for that? So then you need a data analytics. Like you can do many way, like data analysis. So third thing, you have to find a keyword. This keyword, like the customer is looking this keyword or not. So let's say I'm putting whatever like I would like to put. Google will think that, oh, you are putting these things by your own wishes, but customer is not looking for that. So I want to sell a vegetable, like vegetable in vegetable shop, but you are looking for product to sell like grocery things or other things. It's not gonna Google not gonna give you the indication. Okay, people are looking type of thing. So you have to find out what type of keyword people are looking for. Then you go for SEO, put that content in your website. Then it will give you uh like some visibility. Then second thing I might say, if you do continuous sub work in website, after 1 to 2 months, 2 to 3 months, it will give you indication your website is getting indication from the Google. Yes, you are doing good, and from the analytics result, you will like give a setup like goal. Okay, Are these people giving the right content? Is it content is right? So you will get the indication from data analysis. But I might say after 3 months, if you do continuous work, after 3 months, definitely you'll get some result.
That means we got a very crystal clear answer. We can expect after 3 months, or say let's illustrate a bit more, after 4 months, we will get a potential result.
Uh, at least you will get some result. Starting, you will get your result from like after 3 months or 4 months, you will get some result. Then you might say that yes, my strategy is working. Okay, I might go this strategy and I'll boost. But Google always advise after 1 year, every year you should change your strategy and change your plan regarding like uh, your content. It can be a video content, it can be like written content, like some other strategies you may introduce. But Google always advise every like 6 to 1 year, change your plan, change your layout, change like make it bit unique. Like if you continue like one thing every year, then it will drop again. Maybe you will grow after like in certain time, but after that it will drop again. So Google advise always like every year you should change your
I
plan.
have a relevant question, Mr. Ronnie. The question is, there are few people who changes their data in their website very, very frequently, like maybe once a week they change their homepage. It shows, to me it seems like they themselves do not realize what are the thing they are gonna sell. Still, I don't wanna criticize, but I want you to evaluate this practice, how this
uh,
is changing
that's
data very
that's
frequently.
okay. That's I might give a like one answer, which is never change your content straight away every week. I like from the Google and also Yahoo, they always advise change your content because they're asking you to first plan it before put your content, before you do your business. First plan it, then you do it. So they advise you to like uh plan it before you do. So don't change it like you just started, then you uh do other thing. So if you put content, then you do the link, then you do the backlink, then you do other stuff, it will be wise. But if you change this every week or every month, no, it's not gonna boost anything. It's not gonna grow your business because they will think you are not sustainable. You can't think uniquely as a sustain, which can be sustainable for your business. So they will degrade again. So be careful. Before you do, you should make a plan, then imply your strategy.
Okay, now the very question arises, what if everyone says, suppose made this mistake, what he should do now? Like he should start a new platform, or he has some remedy gateway to you.
Mm, if you did it, let's say you don't have any plan, you just make a website. All right, then I want to change the content. I might say first, don't put your website up. First, you make it maintenance within 1 month. Take your time. Like ask advisor. Not everybody can give advice or not give you like something potential or give you answer straight away. I might say ask a better advisor. Like I have this issue. Then uh, make some plan with your advisor. Then go from it. Like it will take time, but it will give you a good result. So wait for a while. Don't be rush for anything. And that is the SEO strategy, I might say. Don't be rush for anything. Make a plan, make a proper plan, make a bold plan. Then go from there. It may take 1 month or 2 months, but it will give you better result.
Okay, Mr. Ronnie, now we are almost at the end of our talk today, I mean, tonight. And now the question is, as so far you said that yes, business analytics and SEO is very, very important. Even it is important before you start your business. Now, my question is, how much budget I should accumulate for this?
Uh, Same thing again. I should say first you have to like make a goal. What actually you are looking for. If you say that like I want to set a goal every year. I want revenue like 100,000. You want to set a goal as 100,000. So for 100,000 revenue, can't you spend like around 1 to 2,000? Of course you do, because we are trying to build your business, or we are doing your branding, we are doing your data analytics. At least you can expand like 2 to 3,000 USD. But if you're really startup, first you have to spend money on data analytics. Maybe there are many data analyzer, like ask their help.
That means you want to say before starting the business, before starting other expenditure, I should put some money on planning the business. I should go to
Yes,
an analyst so that he analyzes the business and he makes the budget of the business. He makes a sales forecast. He makes a marketing plan and everything. Then I move forward. Is it something you want to say?
yes, that is the best advice. That is the best way to like start a business. I should advise that way. But otherwise, you just spend some money straight away, website and other stuff. You you're not gonna gain anything, because you don't have any proper plan. You don't have any focusing goals. You don't have any like idea. I If someone said that, oh, this business is better. Let's say in, now is COVID-19, we're in restriction. So if someone introduces, oh, let's say we can sell mask. Do you know what is the mask? What type of mask is better? Which one is like essential for the like patients? We don't know. We just start the business. How? You even don't know who is your customer. You don't know who you can sell it. You can may sell it, but you don't have any plan. So you might get some money, but it's not a way of doing business. If you really want to do proper business, I should say first you like spend some money in planning, spend some money in data analytics, business analysis, then you start business. Hopefully you'll get really like different result than you are starting with just new business from now, like from somewhere.
Thank you, Mr. Ronnie. We are almost done. Basically, we are done. Our time is up. So we are going to come again in Monday Night Talk, Monday Night Business Talk from In Marketing's page. And I hope that day we will discuss about this business analytics, data analysis, planning, and SEO a bit more in details. The basic question or the basic thing will be, what are the things we should plan first, and how you will help us to get this, I mean, benefit from the business analytics, what we will get from you. This is the thing we will ask you in the next live. Thank you, Mr. Rani, for giving us
Thank you
time.
very much. Thank you for having me. All right, we'll see you next week.
See you next week. And thank you, audience. Thank you for being with us. We wish all the very best for you and stay safe. All the very best wishes for you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.